Sales and marketing. Whoever thought that an orthopedic surgeon would be involved in so much sales and marketing? Well, one of the things that outpatient joint replacement surgery gave me was an opportunity to develop an outpatient joint brand. So I had to go out to the community and tell them about this new concept. It took me about 3 years to be okay with driving down the highway and seeing my picture on a billboard. It took us even longer to see our pictures up on magazines and on kiosks. My kids used to laugh when they would drive down the road and see their dad's picture up on a billboard. But what we were trying to do that whole time was not share our phone number and drive patients to the telephone. We were trying to develop a brand. I wanted to be the champion for outpatient joint replacement in our community. Patients in their 40s, 50s, 60s are already having these joint replacements in local hospitals. I wanted them to have them with me. Well, for years, they didn't even know our office was there. So we developed a sales and marketing campaign that would introduce the concept of outpatient joint replacement to our community. Have you ever heard of geo-targeting? Well, me neither. I learned a lot from our Google digital analyst marketing experts. There's a concept called geo-targeting. Did you know on social media, you can send a message to the right age group that you're looking for? Maybe the right insurance company, maybe it's the right income, maybe it's the right neighborhood. But you can actually target social media with a geo-targeting program. The one thing I really like about digital marketing, as opposed to magazines or billboards or commercials, is how you can measure the results. This is money well spent. There's nothing better than seeing the results. You can see how many patients look at your website, come from the social media platforms, and then you can measure how many have called your office. We had the opportunity to develop a campaign called the I Can Again campaign. This campaign can be used all over the country. These are all the patients in your practice that can do things again. I can ski again. I can bike again. I can walk, travel, dance. I can bowl. I can play softball. All the things that I can do again. This is a campaign we'd like to bring to your community because we know you have patients that I can again as well. So let us help you develop a sales and marketing program in your community that makes you the champion of outpatient joint replacement.